क्या आदर कुछ लाया कि नहीं हम लोग के लिए ड्यूटी फ्री से?
मैं तुम लोग को पूछा भी था कि मैं दारू
Yeah,
उठाऊं
he
तुम लोग
did.
के लिए
He has.
एंड यू गाइस नन ऑफ नोबडी रिस्पोंडेड।
तू पूछता क्यों है?
अच्छा, ऐसे कुछ भी दारू मैं
उठाने
नहीं
का,
उठा सकता हूँ।
उठाने का। तू तेरे को क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है? तेरे को मालूम है किधर ना किधर तो जाएगा। दिसंबर है, चालू
अच्छा,
हो चुका है एक पेटी
तो
महीना। तो
मैं
एक
मैं
पेटी महीने में जितना पैसा बचा सकते उतना बचाना पड़ता है भाई।
भाई, एक पेटी महीना गया, 10 साल
तेरा
पहले का
आवाज
हो
नहीं
गया
आया
एक
है।
पेटी महीना। अभी इन्फ्लेशन में एक पेटी महीना नहीं रहा है तेरा।
हाँ, अभी इन्फ्लेशन 5.6%। माई इंटरनेट इज अनस्टेबल, फक यार।
हम्म।
38
साई
लिख दे,
सर्विस
38
साई
सेकंड।
सर्विस स्ट्राइक्स अगेन गाइस। दिस इज
It
एक्स्ट्रॉर्डिनरी।
periodically reminds me to not get too happy with the internet
हम्म।
connection. तो किधर गया, किधर तू?
मैं गया थाईलैंड बिकॉज आई नो दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डू a bunch of shows with Markasam guys which we are going to talk about right now. So I took a break and I went to Thailand. तो पहले हम लोग मार्कसम के बारे में बात करते हैं थोड़ा सा गाइस, बिकॉज वी हैव 9 shows lined up starting tomorrow.
Starting today, as you watch it at 8 o'clock, we are going to be
Yeah.
at Habitat tomorrow. तो डेट में कंफ्यूज मत कर भाई. Just to clarify for everybody, the show is called Mark Kasam. Okay, it's a
Hmm.
one of a kind interactive show. Lots of fun stories that we've not said on the podcast are going to be a part of it. You have to figure out which of those are true and which of them are false. Okay, so
Yeah.
it's too much fun. So please, please, please get tickets. We are doing a whole tour all across December from today till the 22nd. And in terms of tickets, most of the tickets in the Delhi shows are gone. So all you Delhi peeps, if you can, please come to Gurgaon. 9:30 का शो है, आप लोग पहुंच जाओगे. So if you can do that, that will be great. Bangalore is happening on the Saturday. Half the tickets are already gone, and we are hoping by the time we come there, the rest will be gone. Please make sure it's gone. Pune is almost sold out, and Bombay 22nd first show is almost sold out. Second show
Yeah.
70% odd. So get your tickets ASAP. आओ, मजा आने वाला है, भंकस करेंगे. बट शो का नाम माँ कसम है, ठीक है? और माँ कसम ये चेंज नहीं होगा अभी, फाइनल.
Promise,
Yes.
Markasam.
Also, yeah, one final thing. Baba is not going to be there for the Bangalore, Pune, and the Delhi shows, but he'll try his best to be there for the Bombay shows.
Mumbai shows.
So fair warning. And don't
Hey, fair
Yeah,
warning
you
that
need
he's
to
there.
warn
going
people
once.
before Baba shows up.
No, no. अभी बाबा सिर्फ बोलेगा अरे बाबा नहीं है. Trust me, the show is as fun. So don't worry. ठीक है, आ जाओ. चल चालू करते हैं एपिसोड. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Set. So, a show where we take random instant universe, surface, develop our personal stories, and we talk about it. क्या चल रहा है, boys?
Guys, मैं अभी थाईलैंड से होके आया हूँ where I have done the right
Obviously.
way. I
Yeah.
have done Thailand the right way,
Which
where
is what?
which is not bothered doing any of the sightseeing. You know, the whole point, every time you go on holiday, invariably you end up going like, अच्छा चल एक दिन ये जाके
आसान.
कुछ तो देखते हैं ना, कुछ तो जाके देखते हैं, एक कुछ वहां पे जाके फोटो लेंगे. नथिंग. होटल, स्विमिंग पूल एंड फुट मसाज. दैट इज
Oh,
ऑल वी हैव डन फॉर 1 week.
why didn't you just do that at any hotel in the country?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, वो
इधर
दे
सुख होता है भाई, इधर बाजू में
भाई.
सुख होता है, सुख होता
नहीं
है,
नहीं
चले
नहीं,
जाते हैं.
सुको था. नो ड्रूड, इट्स एक तो सुपर चीप. Understand this. Me and Aparna got the amount of massages we got, which is like about 90 minutes or 2 hours of like foot massage and all that shit. The amount of money we have spent in a week is the same as a 90-minute massage in London.
But but again you're comparing London prices. You should compare
नहीं नहीं,
Bombay
इंडिया का
price.
भी ज्यादा है. इंडिया का ज्यादा है and it's the people who had to leave Thailand. So it's these people who are not as well trained, but those guys are next level, dude. मैं
But
ऐसा
to be
बॉडी
honest,
खोल के आ गया पूरा मैं.
I would trust Adar with this because Adar is the kind of guy who actually looks at every price.
Yeah.
Adar has a confirmed job at Make My Trip, which he's not taking
Yeah.
because he's committed to the podcast. So if you have a travel agency and you want, well, you're servicing
Guys,
well,
yeah,
Adar.
travel booking advice, yeah, and miles. I should do like एक थोड़ा सा 10 मिनट का करना चाहिए बाद में कभी about mile
Abhi,
mile collection.
Adar flies from Bombay to London in 3,000
Oh,
rupees. Don't ask
yes.
Yeah.
how.
My
It
current
just
ticket on
happens.
Christmas Eve, right after the Markasam show ends, and I want to go spend like New Year's with Aparna, is 24th of December for 3,400 rupees. 3,485.
Don't worry about the 19 stops he has to take on his way
No,
to
no, 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 no,
London.
no.
By
It's
which
a
he'll
direct,
reach
it's a direct
Aparna
flight.
on Jan 31st, 2027.
Yeah, it is via Mozambique.
No, that's just the first stop. Then you go Switzerland, Paris. ऐसे लगता है कि तुम वर्ल्ड टूर कर रहे हो, but तुम कर रहे नहीं हो. You're just looking at an airport line.
बाय द वे, तो मसाज की बात चल रही थी, तो आप देख सकते हैं पीछे फूल, मेरी वेल्डिंग एनिवर्सरी थी परसों, ठीक है?
Welding
वेल्डिंग
anniversary.
एनिवर्सरी मेरा
Which is
बाप
kind
बोलता
of what a wedding is.
है, या इट्स वेल्डिंग ना, वेल्ड कर दिया, वेल्डिंग
Yeah.
एनिवर्सरी.
No.
माय डैड ऑलवेज विशेस हैप्पी वेल्डिंग अननेसेसरी.
Huh? Oh,
My
Just
oh,
spell check.
anniversary. Huh.
Spell check on his phone.
नहीं रे,
No, he just says
it's
it.
all
He
jokes.
says happy welding unnecessary and then high fives. तो ठीक है, हम लोगों ने डिसाइड किया उठेंगे, फिर आई बुक्ड अ नाइस मसाज कि जाके मसाज लेते हैं, फिर थोड़ा घर पे चिल, कुछ नई शो वो देखेंगे, उसके बाद रात को जाएंगे बाहर डिनर के लिए. ओके कूल. मसाज था कुछ 4 बजे का, ठीक है? थोड़ा लेट हो गया, हम लोग गया, इट्स कॉल्ड सम ट्रैंक्विलिटी स्लीप लाइफ चेंजिंग मसाज. मैं बोला हाँ चल भाई दे दे. हम लोग दोनों गए कपिल मसाज लेने, और उसने किया, ऐसा मसाज वैसा हो गया, स्टीम विम लेके निकले. बोले
Do
हाँ
you talk during a couple massage?
balls, my AirPods were in, मैं पॉडकास्ट सुन रहा हूँ और मसाज
And
ले.
why does this need to be a couple's massage? Why
It doesn't need to be. It doesn't
You're
need to be.
just-
Periodically, we just get, we hold hands, hi, having fun. I'm okay, love you, love you.
Okay, a couple's massage is basically to make sure that the other person is not having too much fun. That is basically where the couple massage started.
No, what? So you're
Yeah,
having
yeah.
fun if you go for a massage alone?
No,
No,
no, no,
I
it's
think-
not that fun. Not fun I'm talking about. Not that. It's
Which
like,
one are you talking about?
Which fun
yeah,
are you talking about?
ये इसको लौंडा मसाज कर रहा है, उसको लौंडी मसाज कर रही है. That is what is happening.
Oh,
अच्छा वैसे नहीं, मैं I don't prefer Londa massage. Anyway, that's not important. So we've gotten this massage, we've come home, ठीक है? And we're like, क्या बोल रहे थे? Sleep, tranquility.
Oh, done.
Bro, knocked our body system. Bro, we entered the bed. ऐसा हो गया. We are one with the bed. हिलने नहीं हो रहा था bro मसाज के बाद.
couple sleep.
Full couple,
Yeah.
couple sleep. फिर फोन किया, hello, sorry, can't make it for dinner. Hello, yeah, can you send this food home? घर पे. Right? और
क्या
हम
देखा?
देखा The Substance. देखा तो
अरे यार,
please watch it.
Has substance?
It's a brilliant movie, bro. It's on Mubi, so you can rent it. 120
I would not recommend eating and watching it.
don't eat and watch it, but we ate and watched it, but it was banging. It is one of the
Yeah.
best movies to come out. Demi Moore is outstanding.
Demi
Margaret
Moore,
Qualley is
dude.
outstanding. Bro, everything about that movie, sound design, production design, cinematography, acting, writing, direction is all top notch. It should win fucking all the awards. Damn good. Check it out.
बस.
Yeah.
एक logline बता.
What if you
कि-
could become young? What if you could become a younger version of yourself again?
A
It's
younger
also-
version of yourself again.
Yeah, it's a version. It's not you.
It's
like
trying
yeah.
to match up to a specific beauty standard that you set for yourself via the eyes of this Hollywood star who was once a star, or abhi she's not there. But that quest to always look younger, look amazing, not accepting the age that you're at, and then the fact that you're never going to find
Jennifer
true
Lopez
happiness.
का autobiography. Hey.
Nee, but unlike her, Jennifer Lopez, it looks younger only, bro. It doesn't look
Yeah.
like she's aged. She looks like she's been in the freezer 19 years, just not
Exactly.
aged at all.
It's disconcerting because how is it possible that I grew up with Jennifer Lopez and now I'm older than Jennifer Lopez? How is that possible?
That is the most accurate way. That is the most accurate way to describe how gorgeous Jennifer Lopez is looking.
Jennifer Lopez.
When I was young, I used to like her. Now I'm older than her. Like,
ये देख जेनिफर के पास एक white pal है. Okay, wait. By the way, do we have some weird news for this particular episode? Since
Yes.
you already titled it that.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
have way too much.
we
weird news.
retrofit, guys. We just
Yeah.
title an episode something and then we come in like, अरे shit, क्या title क्या है? अरे bro,
Yeah.
weird news. चल, फटाफट weird news. नहीं, just kidding. We have a full list ready. So,
Yeah.
Should we
Kautam, take
start?
it away.
Because you brought up welding anniversaries.
I didn't bring it up. It is there. It was there. I didn't like.
Yeah, no, I mean, since your welding anniversary happened, so let's start with another welding that took place, but a very strange welding. Okay, unbelievable. So here's what happened. So there was this a wedding about to take place in district of Meerut.
Okay.
And so sorry, this is a wedding that was going to take place in Meerut's Dungrawali village. Okay. Now the bridegroom is heading to his wedding, and as is tradition, he is wearing one garland, which is a garland of notes. Okay. तो
Sure.
50 रुपए का notes का garland पहना है. Now he's on the road. He's heading to the venue. Now, as he's on the road, a mini truck, okay, the small mini trucks. So a mini truck passes by, and the driver of the mini truck reaches out and pulls out one note
Oh shit! From the
Right.
mala.
from the mala. Pulls out one note and drives off. Now, everyone has choices in life, right? And so did this bridegroom. He
Yeah.
could have said, you know what? I lost a single note, but I still have a full mala of notes, and it's my wedding day, and it doesn't matter, man. Things happen, right? And he should have gone to the wedding. But this particular groom, Pankaj Kumar from Meerut, said, no, I cannot be heading to my wedding with one 50 rupee note less. How dare that guy? So here's what he said. Here's what he did. Okay, he stopped. He flagged down a motorbike that was passing by, got behind the guy, and chased after this mini truck. Okay, now a chase has ensued on. There he is. That's the thing. Now
There we have it.
you have to see this video as to what happens. Okay, so what he has done is this video will play from the point where he has then jumped from a moving bike onto
Yeah.
a moving mini truck.
Yeah.
And here is what has happened.
This guy. Oh my! You know, you see these stunts in like action movies, and you're
Yeah.
like, "Any hoega." This is like an Indiana Jones kind of, and he got that one note.
But he still has the remaining mala with him.
Yeah. But one thing I don't understand is that उसने note वोट लिया, उसने गाड़ी रुकवाई. He entered through the window. He could have opened the door and gotten out.
He still went up to
He
the window.
refused. He refuses to do that.
No,
Abey,
but they've stopped the car also. The
Yeah.
truck also is gone baja out.
No, so this has all gone down. This has all gone down. They have stopped the thing. He and his friends have come and beat up the driver of this mini truck, and all has gone down. Now the question is, so
Hmm.
A, if you were the bride, what would your thoughts be?
Bro, my thought is 1 second. Because of this, the groom is going to enter later than I am. मेरी entry होने वाली थी late. अभी ये groom 50 रुपए का नोट लेके लग जा रहा है. End में बोले क्या यार वो देखी बोले अबे जाने देता ना तू वैसे भी उड़ा रहे. They also उड़ाओ right अपने in the
Yeah,
बारात
yeah.
में लोग पैसे
Yeah, but-
उड़ाते हैं. सोच ना ढोल वाले को दे
It
दे.
was, but Thakur, it was the principle of the thing.
Yeah, ढोल वाले
No,
को
no,
देना है,
props
झोल
to
वाले को
doing
नहीं.
it, but
ढोल वाला,
I mean-
not झोल वाला, guys. It is not. Never gift a thief the money.
No, but
ये उसूलों पे आ गया उसके.
there are only two kinds of reactions to this, right? Either the
Hmm.
bride was like, man, that was the dumbest thing I've ever seen in my life.
yeah.
Or she's like, this is the man of my dreams.
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
I have the answer to the question कि अगर कोई मेरा बस चुरा के गया तो तुम क्या करोगे? She
Also,
has the answer.
she's looking at this going, bro, what lengths will this guy go to win a fight?
Dude, it's like the thing is you would assume कि चल शादी है तो छोड़ रहने दे.
Exactly.
ठीक है and on what he has gone and done also is a very hardcore. It's not like कि किधर भाग के ऐसे पकड़ लिया वो
नहीं.
बाइक से गाड़ी पे जंप मार के अंदर जा रहा है. Bro, what is this?
This dude has put the Sher and Sherwani. This man.
भाई
This
एक ही
dude
चीज
is-
की कमी थी, अगर ये अपने घोड़ी पे होता और ये घोड़ी को भगा के वो टेम्पो को पकड़ता.
You know, but वो भी that is also smart thinking कि घोड़ी थोड़ी सुनने वाली है. चल बाइकर.
Biker.
और ये ट्रक वाला भी जाते हुए एक नोट चोरी कर.
अरे वो क्योंकि वो
ये ना-
ऐसा ड्राइव कर रहा है, यहाँ पे यू सीइंग अ बंच ऑफ नोट्स, चल एक निकाल लेता हूँ. दैट्स हिज एटीट्यूड.
ऐसे पकड़ता ना फिर सीधा 5,000 रुपए. Then the groom is like 1 minute. नहीं.
You know, the thing is, just put yourselves in the seat of the mini truck driver, okay, who has seen the Bharat. Oh, it'll be a fun little, like, मजा आएगा. चल उठा लिया, right? He's driving. Then he sees in his rear view mirror,
My God.
the guy has come. Then he sees the guy has jumped. And then he sees he's coming through the drive. The passenger.
Hi.
First, he has told the passenger or the guy on the phone, ओ भाई पता है क्या हो गया जाते वक्त ना दूल्हे के हाथ से ना चुरा ली मैंने अरे भाई मजा करेंगे तू मंगा पराठे मंगा 2-3 में लेके आता हूँ और फिर टैं, 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 fuck,
then he's like पराठे cancel
I
बेल लेके आ जल्दी.
can't- Wow, bro. Hilarious.
This is Gadar but reverse where the truck driver gets beat.
Yeah.
But I also think it's a very fun tradition that we have. कि, oh, do you know what the significance of the notes ka mala is?
I think it's like a gift that you give. Like हम लोग we equate money to gifting, na? So it's like this is a literal like okay, how grand is the wedding? That's what I'm assuming. कि देखो this is a grand tradition and जितने ज्यादा बड़े बड़े नोट की माला है और जितना thick है माला, that's how you're basically showing off, which a lot of the weddings have turned into nowadays.
You know what I like about this is that the bride goes to whatever Tanishq or whatever and gets gold jewelry. Meanwhile, the guy just takes notes and puts a
अच्छा
string.
ये सुनना है क्या कुछ आधे
हाँ,
कैसा लग रहा हो मस्त लग रहा है भाई मस्त
bye.
ऐसे ही
Both the
लग
same.
रहे हैं
Both the
हाँ,
same. But
आप सुनना 3,500 की डाले से एक काम करता हूँ भाई 10-10 का डाल देता हूँ तो मोटा लगेगा लगेगा कि आप 30,000 लेके जा रहे हो लेकिन 3,500 ही टेंशन मत लो
अच्छा,
ऊपर 1,000 का नोट है नीचे मोनोपोली मनी है.
हाँ अरे
Best.
भाई मैंने डिस्क के एपिसोड पे देखा था भाई उन लोग इसके बारे में बता रहे थे तो डाल दिया मैंने भी क्या बात है इट इज फाइन चलो
वैसे ऊपर करेगा तो अनुपम खेर की फोटो.
dude, I found another thief. And this is in the US, and this is an auntie who's running like a general store, like one of those mom and pop stores. And this guy decided to rob the wrong auntie.
Hmm.
Okay, this guy shows up, and you know that's a typical robbery where you're like, अच्छा ठीक है, गन दिखाएगा, आंटी को पैसा देना पड़ेगा. But no, this dude is in for the ride of his life.
Oh,
that
man.
looks like somebody I know hey that's an Indian auntie
Ah, that's an Indian auntie.
Yeah.
And this guy shows her a
oh
gun. And look at how badass this auntie is. बोलती है नहीं जा जा तू निकल यहाँ से. And she's slapping the fucking gun off him.
Whoa.
And then
oh
starts
oh
smacking him. And then she finds a hammer. It's like to रुक bitch.
Oh.
wow
And then it turns out that she is the mother of the Meerut wala groom.
Yes. She's like मेरे बेटे के शादी के लिए पैसा बचाने का है.
that's crazy bro it takes guts huh
Dude,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
gun
So
was
always
when she's grabbing it, there was a point if he pressed the trigger, खत्म हो गया होता. Or she's called his bluff कि ये नकली गन लेके आया है.
Bro,
Yeah.
I'm telling you, this thing, and especially in countries where it's, I don't know if this is the US or whatever, where did they get the gun, but I remember जब मैं US स्टोर पे था ना एक बार हम लोग रात को लेट सब पार्टी वार्टी करके हम लोग किधर खाने तो वन ऑफ दीज गैस स्टेशन जो चालू रहता है ना स्टोर्स
हाँ
रात
हाँ
को
हाँ. Yeah,
तो
yeah.
उधर के उधर एक हॉट डॉग वो सब मिल रहा था हम लोग खा रहे थे तो खाते खाते देयर वाज अ इंडियन गाय बिहाइंड द काउंटर so I used to always wonder because isn't it scary like you're just there by this
Right.
gas station alone and you know like public को इधर गन
Oh,
तो
yeah.
वैसे वॉलमार्ट से मिल रहा है तो कोई भी आके तो आई आस्क्ड हिम और हिंदी में बात कर रहा था ऐसे कभी हुआ है कि he said मेरे साथ 2 बार हुआ है
Yeah.
आई सेड तो क्या he said नहीं तो हमारे पास इधर लिटरली इंश्योरेंस है वो भी करते तो वी आर नॉट इनसाइड माइट बी डिफरेंट इन डिफरेंट प्लेसेस बट दिस गाइज लाइक आई जस्ट टुक द हैंड अप पूरा रजिस्टर दे दिया और उधर सीधा इस पे दिख रहा है दे डू अ लिटिल इन्वेस्टिगेशन एंड देन कुछ इंश्योरेंस का भी होता है बट स्टिल इट्स स्कैरी टू जस्ट
Of course.
it's like
Yeah, no
if you ask
shit,
me if
dude.
I would do it I would not
I
just
would not
simply
do
out of being scared nothing
Yeah,
else.
yeah. I mean, like, my dad got mugged once when he was in he had gone for work to South Africa, and he was mugged in a like in some alley.
Yeah,
And, yeah. His held up to knife point,
knife point
Shit.
and
हाँ.
uh, basically like he obviously gave up the wallet, etc. And yet his pant had been slashed. Like there was a gash in the trouser. So after that experience, he had like I remember that at least 3 or 4 times he has categorically told me that if you ever find yourself in this sort of position. Give your wallet because
Yeah.
money you can get back, life, limb,
Like,
etc.
give everything, give your phone, watch, earring, this anything of worth that you have, should
Yeah.
give it. Bro, two of my friends I know, they had similar experiences. One of them was a girl who got mugged
Hmm.
at that one Baker Street, in one of the alleys at Baker Street
In London, no?
in
It's become a
London.
meme, dude. How many muggings happen in London? It's crazy.
Like Aparna's friend had come to London, Abhi, and the thing is, Abhi, I am the parent. I tend to become like the overprotective, scared parent, and a lot of times Aparna is like, हाँ यार ठीक है यार, where like फोन बचा के रखना, ये करना, जब कॉफी शॉप में हो तो फोन टेबल पे मत रखो. इन लोग
Hmm.
ने बात करते करते टेबल पे रखेश,
Oh, yeah.
एंड एक आंटी आई है न्यूज़पेपर दिखाते हुए. तो दिस इज देयर like whole system where they come put a newspaper in your face and they show please. तो you're assuming they're begging कि कुछ होगा यहाँ पे about themselves or something. I have problems, I need money. तो वो थोपड़े के आगे न्यूज़पेपर रखते हैं. And now when you're looking at the misdirection, फोन तेरा यहाँ पे है, उसने हाथ रखा है तेरे फोन पे, और नाउ न्यूज़पेपर के साथ फोन भी गया.
Woof.
And now by the time you've realized what has happened, they've gone away and disappeared into the crowd like Hannibal Lecter. Just Leicester Square पे गुल.
Hannibal Lester. But yeah, bro, friends of mine, when they were, what, 19 or something, okay, 19 or 20, they had gone to Amsterdam. And when young kids go to Amsterdam, अरे चल दारू पियेंगे, joint पियेंगे, इधर जाएंगे, उधर जाएंगे. So just roaming around carefree. So prime targets for like something like that to happen. Although I've never had a bad experience in Amsterdam, but this friend of mine did. Coming back late from some fucking party in one of the lanes, and shockingly in Amsterdam that too, two dudes come. Okay. One comes from behind, catches him, and puts a syringe
What?
on his neck like this, which has like this pinkish fluid. Because he did this. Okay, ऐसे पकड़ा है, ऐसे दिखा के फिर ये किया है. So he's scared. Because it's so stupid, firstly, pink liquid, but then you don't want to take a chance.
If
The
you want
off
to-
chance
It
that
could
is
be
actually
detergent, it
something.
could be whatever the fuck.
Whatever, and it's right here. The other guy's like, take it or we'll stab you with it. So he said, bro, I gave everything, whatever he had. In fact, there was one, उसका एक ऐसे secret इसमें पैसा था, उसने वो भी निकाल के दे दिया. ठीक है, और ऐसे किया ना, those guys started laughing. As they went off, they started laughing, और फिर ऐसे सिर्फ syringe फेंका. So basically, कुछ
It
नहीं
was
था.
nothing. It was
It
nothing.
was nothing. And they themselves were surprised कि इसने सब दे दिया. But I'm like, great you did that, bro.
Yeah.
Fucking, there's no point trying to be a hero. Just fucking give it, save yourself. Everything will come back. Your life won't.
The London situation now, like it's on the internet because there's been a spate of muggings recently or whatever. It's become such a like so prevalent. It's now become jokes.
Yeah.
So a meme, there was a video someone had made. People in London heading out. So like this guy picks up his wallet, his keys, his thing. Then he picks up his knife.
Yeah. Dude, I'm looking at stuff where okay, like so अभी हम लोग ने धागा खरीदा. So this is Aparna's way. उसने धागा खरीद लिया फोन के लिए जो फोन से अटैच रहता है. So even if someone pulls, the धागा is attached. I'm looking at something के हाथ पे अगर हो तो मैं ऐसे हाथ पे बांध लूं like a bracelet and this, and it's there on that. These are things where it's like it just attaches, and now like you're thinking on these terms, which is so dumb.
Anti-mugging stuff.
Yeah, dude, एक है मैंने reel देखा था where so now these guys are also making TikToks.
Who?
So everybody's a content
The
creator.
muggers.
So they're like, how do
The
we
muggers are
monetize
making TikToks.
mugging? Yeah, so that guy's basically putting out, okay, seven phones in 10, like 5 minutes. And he does a super cut of him stealing phones, jumping from one place to another. So one guy who does parkour and steals phones. So now he's mixed two of his favorite things in the
You're
world.
saying that these guys are
Basically
mugfluencers.
monetizing your hobbies. This is how you monetize your hobbies, guys.
Hobby? This is bro, he's a mugfluencer is correct, Kautuk, because I saw one guy who was a robber. He's made a TikTok of him robbing a house and put it up. I'm like, bhai, तेरे दिमाग है कि नहीं?
Hey guys, I'm going to show you his house.
Yeah. I'm here at 1408. Like, don't worry. This is in this area, Baker Street.
This is
Third building from the right.
This is like the
My
worst
name
Rafiq
is
Majid.
Rafiq Majid.
Yeah.
What is
Rawas.
उसका
I love
GRWM
Bandra.
होता है, get robbing with me.
Yeah, today we'll be wearing the ski mask,
Yeah.
gloves.
I like,
For
guys,
this-
as you know, I like to mix up my masks in case people like it. These are my different gloves. When I go to the house, I like something that's really close to my skin, but sometimes if I have to break a window, I like to wear something that's going to protect my elbows because, guys, I had to hit the gym tomorrow.
Yeah, we're going to be accessorizing this with this cute little Rampuri. This Rampuri.
फिर बोला मैं डाइवर्सिफाई हो जाता हूँ. See guys, lot of times when you rob, your skin tends to get less oxygen. So the thing is, I would recommend this oxygen facial if you just do it in circling motions like that. The next time you wear a balaclava before you go to rob a house, your skin's going to be good. Thank you.
Guys, my
Right.
doctor just told me that there's a lot of bacteria in the masks, no matter how much you wash it. So I'm gonna go into really heavy duty makeup so people don't realize who you are, and that's how you escape the police. So now it's a makeup tutorial, guys.
But the real vertical integration is motivational videos.
Arey.
See, you are poor because you aren't trying hard enough.
Trying harder.
Yes.
Watch and learn. This is how bad you need it.
So basically, we were talking about robbing, right? But that's humans and TikTok robbers and all of that. Bangalore में एक बंदर ने चोरी कर दिया पिज्जा. ठीक है, एक पिज्जा
yes!
जगह. Yeah,
They're getting
मैं
sentient.
monkey fact लेके आया हूँ आज. ठीक है, the monkey in Bangalore stole pizza from this pizza place, and the guys went running behind him कि किधर अरे चले गया पिज्जा लेके. As they turn around, they see a crumpled note that the monkey had left. 500 रुपए का.
Nice.
Ethical monkey
No, so
rob.
then why are you
This
saying
is what
that
I
he
love
stole
about
it?
monkeys, man.
didn't
Monkeys,
rob it.
they do things right.
But he bought the pizza clearly.
Yeah, so you can't even term it robbery. Maybe he didn't pay full price. Maybe he took a 12-inch but paid for a 10-inch. Whatever. He still paid though.
But I'm impressed that monkey has learned concept of money.
Yeah.
I'm-
Ape speak. Ape no money.
Dude,
Dawn
I
of
wouldn't be
the-
surprised at
Dawn
some
of the
point.
Planet of the Apes.
At some
in
point.
Nama
sorry, kya?
Bengaluru.
At some point,
At some point, they will have like a monkey like telling you about like economics and what to invest in.
yeah.
Mutual funds will just become primate funds, and that's what's going to happen later on.
But this I like the fact that monkey had money also. Now either he stole that money
Yeah, he stole that money. वो एक से ले रहा है दूसरे को दे रहा है.
और उधर पिज्जा छोड़ के आया है. So yes. Dude, do you think it's a delivery boy?
Yeah. It's like Swiggy has like, dude, we've realized that there is another vertical. एक तो उन लोगों को like Ola का scooter का छोटे size का देना पड़ेगा तो they'll be happier. And
I don't
it
think
won't be
monkey
that
को ओला
bad.
दे रहे. वो ऊपर से जा रहे हैं ना भाई. वो
अरे,
monkey scooter
हाँ.
क्यों चलाएगा? चूती है. Monkey
But then
ना.
the food gets all mixed up now because he's like ऐसा swinging and jumping and stuff. So you
वो
have to
बैलेंस करेगा. ऐसे एक हाथ पे बैलेंस करके करेगा भाई. उतना तो उसको आता ही है.
He's not Spider-Man, man.
unless he gets a rooster with a gimbal head and puts the delivery on the rooster's head and he's holding the rooster. So the food is always perfectly balanced.
Let me tell you, Domino's Pizza couldn't deliver a proper pizza with a dude and a hot case because every time you opened it, वो चिपक जाता था उसके ऊपर.
हाँ.
तो अगर एक बंदर लाके दे रहा है जस्ट फॉर नॉवेल्टी वैल्यू, मैं चिपका हुआ पिज्जा खा लूंगा भाई. सब मिक्स हो जाने थे अंदर पहले से. चिली फ्लेक्स, ऑरेगेनो, sauce.
So basically, Sam Raimi's Spider-Man predicted how food deliveries are going to go because Spider-Man delivering pizza is the same as monkey delivering pizza at this point.
The thing about Domino's is that if you call them also right later कि सर आपका वो जो केस था ना कार्डबोर्ड का वो अभी मेरे पिज्जा से फ्यूज हो गया है. The guy would tell you, सर आप वैसे भी कार्डबोर्ड खाने वाले थे. अभी थोड़ा और कार्डबोर्ड खा लो.
Great.
Don't worry, sir. Recycle cardboard. I said the cardboard isn't the problem, bro. It's the cheese that's stuck to the car. And all the veggies. नीचे bread है, ऊपर topping है. क्या खाओ कैसे? तो तू अपना ब्रेड निकाल के से टॉपिंग को खुरेद रहा है उधर. अच्छा लगेगा.
No, I have pulled the topping out of the cardboard and I've had it because
Bro, the reason I said this,
protein.
the reason I said this is because the last time ever that I ordered from Domino's was some 10 years back, where this, not even 10, longer, 12 years back, was when this shit happened to me. They used to have those coupons, remember, where तू
Yeah.
एक ले तो दूसरे वाले पे 50% तीन
Yeah.
लिया तो तीसरा वाला मतलब फुकट ही दे दे रहे थे को वैसा.
Yeah.
So you can do the cutout and all of that. So now everybody and their mother had this.
Yeah.
और
Yeah.
सब लोग को चाहिए वीकेंड पे. और हम लोग भी मंडे टू फ्राइडे प्रॉपर खाना, सैटरडे को कचरा खाएंगे, ठीक है.
हाँ.
Mhm.
तो मैं मॉम और मेरा भाई
Literally कचरा.
फैट नहीं खाता है, ठीक है, कचरा ही है. तो हमने फोन करके भाई बोला ये दो दे, उसके साथ ये कूपन में ये 4 पिज्जा मस्त रेडी, आजा 30 मिनट्स नहीं तो फ्री. 1.5 घंटे बाद आया है.
Yeah. Yeah.
1.5 घंटा.
तो पूरा ऑर्डर फ्री ना.
अबे पूरा ऑर्डर फ्री छोड़िए, मैं फ्री में भी नहीं खाया. So not only have we waited for an hour, okay, not an hour and a half, maybe an hour 15, whatever. It was more than an hour. We waited, then this has come. I've opened it. It's stuck to both ends, all four, not one, all four. So I've called them up and he said, ठीक है, अभी दूसरा वाला 1 और घंटा लगे आने के लिए.
Ooh.
ये लेके मैंने ऐसे जो भी खा सकता था साला वेस्ट नहीं हो खाया, ऑर्डर फ्री था. फिर घर पे दाल चावल और आलू की सब्जी बनवाई, फिर वो खाया. And that day I decided
Oh,
it doesn't
friendship with Domino end.
end.
Yeah. Yeah. By the way, okay. Now we go from Domino's and fused pizzas all the way to New Zealand. Okay, I love this. What a great news story. So there is an airport in New Zealand. It's in the New Zealand city of Dunedin. Okay? These guys, for whatever reason, used to have a huge problem of people hugging at the airport, at the terminals.
One second,
हाँ.
please clarify. Hugging or hugging? Hugging
हाँ.
means like the
This
ground
shit.
staff is hugging.
हाँ.
Right. Hugging, मतलब hug.
So quite possible that ground staff is also hugging, but
Hugging.
these guys had a problem only with people hugging at the airport at the departure terminals. तो पब्लिक आता था डिपार्चर टर्मिनल पे और ऐसे कस के पकड़ाइए और पकड़ाइए पकड़ाइए, right? And so it was such a problem that was causing congestion at this airport.
भाई न्यूजीलैंड में लोग कितने हैं that this is
तो
called, how
4 तो
small is
लोग
the
हैं.
airport?
4 लोग हैं, एयरपोर्ट स्टाफ 2 है, एक पायलट है. अभी उसमें कितना टाइम लग रहा है भाई इन लोग को.
Unless the pilot himself is doing the hugging. It's like, वहाँ पे खड़ा के, सर आपकी वजह से प्लेन रुका. हाँ, I need to finish my hugs.
एक्चुअली आई नो व्हाई. एक तो डुनेडिन में, ठीक है, उधर कितने लोग हैं पता नहीं. तो जो भी हक कर रहा है ना, ही और शी इज ट्राइंग टू टेल द पर्सन लिविंग कि प्लीज मुझे इधर छोड़ के मत जा. प्लीज, इधर वैसे भी 12 लोग रहते हैं, प्लीज तू चले जाएगा तो मेरे लिए कोई है नहीं यार.
You're 10% of the population.
मैं लॉर्ड ऑफ द रिंग्स का टूर 25 बार कर चुका हूँ. There's nothing else to do here.
So you know what they did? This is not even the funny part.
हाँ.
Funny part is they passed a law at this airport saying that you can only hug for 3 minutes.
अबे यार.
Which
तो 3 में गिन रहा कौन है?
Exactly. So many questions to be asked. Firstly, the first question is this: have you ever hugged someone for upwards of 3 minutes? Fuck. Like
At an airport, no.
No.
Maybe a minute and a half when I was about
Yeah.
to leave to go abroad to study and I wasn't going to come back for a year.
Yeah.
तो
Yeah.
मैंने अपने फैमिली ऑब्वियसली एकदम टाइट कर, फिर रोने वोने वो लग गया था वो सब बस. बट फिर भी 3 मिनट नहीं था भाई. 3 मिनट
that's what I'm saying. 3 minutes is a long time of
Yeah.
just hugging somebody and not doing anything else.
If you have to hug somebody for 3 minutes, I would probably start in the car. के आप गाड़ी में साथ में बैठो.
चूतिया ड्राइव कौन कर रहा है? सब गाड़ी छोड़ के आ भाई
उबर
जरा.
उबर लेना यार. उबर.
अबे डुनेडिन में 12 लोग है, बोल रहा हूँ उबर नहीं है उधर.
Which, by the way, is what the airport is suggesting you do. They're like,
Ah.
click the hugging to the parking lot. Finish your hugging and come here.
हाँ,
Which is
सीधा
smart.
उधर डिपार्चर पे नहीं कर.
Go, get back home. Finish your hugging. Whatever the fuck you want to do. And then come here. So,
No, but how sad is it that like people are genuinely hugging, whatever, somebody close is leaving, come back, whatever, however they're doing it, but as they're doing it, they have an eye on the watch कि भाई 2:55 हो गए, छोड़ दे अभी, छोड़ दे,
Unless there
फाइन
is a
लगेगा.
man. Unless there is a man at the airport with 2 stopwatches in his hand. And he's like drop off
No,
point पे खड़ा है. Hey, देख,
the
couple A
the
has started.
second-
Couple 2 have started. Yes.
the
Now I have to. Sir,
second
बस हो गया. Stop. Enter. Enough. 3 minutes. Or the Oscar band comes in. Like there is a entire, like an orchestra. जैसे Oscar में तुम लोग your speech goes
Oh, yeah.
longer than 3 minutes. The band starts playing. Or in case of New Zealand, someone starts doing the haka. Just-
The third question, obviously. So the second question was, who is checking? So is there a guy with a stopwatch who just stands there watching you
Hmm.
hug? Right. The third question worth asking is, how are they stopping you? Right. So do they come with one crowbar and
चल
just
ये
start prying
चलना
you apart?
चलना हटना.
What are you, two dogs having sex? That used to be a big menace. हम लोग के school compound में ना, because when dogs have sex, they just get stuck.
They
Yeah,
get stuck.
sometimes.
Yeah.
Sometimes it is.
No, at least the dogs in my school compound who were
But
fucking
stuck
were always
always.
stuck. They were just
Yeah,
stuck
yeah,
only.
yeah.
हमने भाई छोड़ दे तू क्या लूप के नाम पे फेविकॉल लगाया क्या तूने साले क्या कर रहा
Why?
है?
Apparently, this is a news piece. Now, I couldn't verify it. That's why. So it's just shit, random shit I found on the internet, where a couple have had to call the ambulance because he used Fevikwik instead of lube. So now they're stuck
Oh
together and they
God.
are being taken to the ambulance in a quilt. And वो उनको डायरेक्ट करके लेके जा रहा है.
One second. So his hand also should have been stuck on his dick.
I have no idea
Yeah,
unless
this
he's
is
taken the
fake.
tube and
I
become like
see.
super
I see.
smart
No,
by see that tube.
it takes a little bit of time before it fuses, no?
Yeah.
Before it completely, you have like a some
Okay.
seconds of
For
grace.
for the sake of explanation, okay. Let's say he this is what he had to apply it on. Okay.
Okay.
He would apply the loop on a description, right? The hand would get stuck.
Arre,
The
but there
hand
are
would get stuck.
he
Or if not
has
that,
poured the loop wrong.
he would have felt like oh एक मिनट इधर कुछ अजीब लग रहा है शायद ये लूब नहीं है ये आदमी पागल है भाई इसने कभी यूज ही नहीं किया है लाइफ में
First time, and maybe he looked at Fevikwik and he went like, "Look, I'm not that quick, also, but whatever." But
Dude, apparently this is a legit news article
what?
from apparently this is yeah. Oh
oh
God.
wait you mean
30th.
to say he wanted to have a Fevi quickie
Yeah.
Very quickly.
Mm, 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 mm.
Okay. Speaking of,
Uh,
there is no segue from here, but
uh,
should tell you a few things that are train related. Okay. So the first thing that is train related is this incredible story, okay, of
Hmm.
this. It recently had popped up in the news cycle. What a story this is. Okay. So here's what happens. The story is of a station master and his wife who were having marital problems. Why
Hmm.
were they having marital problems? Because the wife hadn't let go of her previous relationship. Okay. So she had an ex who she was still talking to.
Who
And
was
then
a TC
Arey,
about to have an affair with air traffic control
she likes that guy who
just going through
travels.
different modes of transport
so so this is a station master who had a wife. Wife was having still talking to ex. And it was a huge problem, clearly a huge problem. Right. So now they are having constant fights. Okay.
Hmm.
To the point where at this one time, the station master was in his he was at work. Okay, and he's talking to his wife on the phone, and they're arguing again. Okay, because clearly they're having issues. Now, as they're arguing, the station master has had enough, and he tells the wife, "Listen, we'll talk later when I'm back home." Okay, he says that, and he cuts the call. Now, little did he know that there was a microphone in his office that was still live and transmitting to a train.
oh
So the guy in the train has only heard okay. He's not heard any of the marital dispute. He's just heard okay. And he has taken it as a signal कि station master बोल रहा है okay, go ahead.
oh fuck
तो भाई ने train चला दिया है. And the train has gone into this wild, like an area that they're not supposed to go into in the night. Okay. And it's this Maoist infected area. The train was not supposed to go there at all. Okay. And
Why are
because
there tracks?
and especially in that particular time, because in the night there is a particular violation that they have broken. Okay,
Huh.
so they basically had a violation that's happened, and it has cost the Indian Railways 3 crore rupees. Okay, because
wow
this train
fines
has, yeah, in fines, because this train has gone into a place where it should not have gone at a particular time. Now, because this happened, the poor station master, whose life, if it wasn't bad enough, has just gotten worse because the railways have suspended him.
Shit.
This has added to his marital problems, and it was the straw that broke the camel's back, and he has then said, I want to get divorced. Okay. Now,
Wow.
divorce also has taken 12 years in
Yeah. Basically, as long as it takes to get general booking in the IRCTC.
So yeah, so basically this was a divorce that took 12 years and cost 3 crore rupees.
Wow.
And it all happened because of the word okay.
Shit.
That's
Or maybe he was doing the divorce proceeding also over something which was a call, and he said okay to somebody else, and the judge's question was, "Are you trying to reconcile? Will you try? Okay, all right. We'll see you after 12 years." He's like, नहीं भाई, नहीं, मैं okay बोलूंगा ही नहीं आज से. मैं okay है ही नहीं, मेरे word में ही नहीं है, मेरे पास डिक्शनरी में ही नहीं है okay.
Roger.
Bichara. Raj.
So that is train story number 1. Okay,
Hmm.
there are 3 in total. There are 4 in total. Second one. Okay, second one is
First AC, second AC.
Yeah.
General.
that's all. Second story is basically this. Okay, so it's I don't know exactly which metro this is from, but there's a video of this. Other I don't know if you have this,
हाँ पता.
but there is a video of these guys who it's a metro train. It was supposed to be a ladies metro. Okay, but India being India, मर्द लोग घुस गए. Okay,
अरे हाँ.
now someone has complained. The complaint has reached the cops. The cops are ready and waiting. Okay. When the metro reaches the station and the doors open, right, the men start streaming out. But little do they know that the Tullas are waiting right at the gate.
और
Hilarious.
Oh,
झापड़ मार रहे. It's just insane.
hard.
So they've basically gotten properly bajaued by the cops for taking the ladies metro.
Dude, and well deserved. I like sometimes I'm like, चल भाड़ में गया dude. एक लगाना चाहिए सबको. And the fact that the cops are doing it is the best.
Yeah, satisfying. That video, it was so satisfying to watch because honestly, there are so many times. I wish there was a dedicated like policeman slapper for like lots of these petty things. Like there's so many things where like किसी ने line काटा, मार ना एक झापड़, बजा दे.
So there is a designated slapper position at the cop. You know
करना
how
चाहिए.
crazy this recruitment process would be.
But
ये
for
मेरे
petty
को तो
crimes.
थप्पड़ मारने का है.
Or for inconveniences and for like just disobediences. Like,
Yeah.
those kind of.
Bro, you won't believe, when I used to go to college, मैं अंधेरी से अभी चर्च गेट जय हिंद जब जाता था, I used to go by train, okay? अपना local train. And before I started getting that first class pass or whatever, ना, हम लोग लाइन में खड़े रहते हैं. And if you've ever been on the local train in Bombay, you know how hardcore it is.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
So we're standing in a line. Now this dude has been standing in front of me for so long that he has to pee. So this guy has stepped out of the line. We're like, अरे एक आदमी कम. But he has taken out his rumal.
Yes.
And he has put it there in front of me. ठीक है?
Yes.
And then he started walking. So I said, boss, आपका रुमाल. He's like, हाँ, वो मैं हूँ. मैं बोला, मतलब क्या? He's like, वो मैं हूँ. मेरे को समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है.
Your existence can be defined by a two-dimensional piece of like a square piece. That's what.
मतलब एक मिनट सर, आप रुमाल हो का मतलब क्या है? नहीं कि मतलब लाइन में जब जाऊंगा ना, तुम्हें देखना है कि मैं तुम्हारे आगे हूँ. ऐसे, लेकिन जब लाइन आगे बढ़ेगी ना, तो ये जो तुम हो, मैं उस पे पैर रख के जाऊंगा वो आगे.
You know what this is? This man has created a Horcrux on the fly.
Yeah.
He has done a Voldemort and been like, my soul resides in Anki.
There's
but the thing
hologram,
is-
there's hologram, and there's rumalogram, and which is
Bro, the more hardcore thing is that this guy has the audacity to become a rumal, okay? And firstly, randomly in the morning, के मैं रुमाल हूँ अभी आज से, ठीक है? It's in front. And then he's like, ये मैं हूँ. So the line goes ahead. The onus is on me to keep
pull the
putting it
handkerchief.
away. And then I have to explain to other people who are like, अरे आगे क्यों नहीं जा रहे? मतलब नहीं नहीं वो रुमाल है ना, वो है, वो अभी टॉयलेट गए.
But the
अरे वो
thing is-
राजेश है. कौन है?
the thing
अरे
is-
राजेश है भाई.
the thing is, if the guy doesn't come back in time and the rumal reaches the ticket window, then what?
We're just waiting.
सर
सर इनको
एक
एक
चर्च
टिकट
गेट मेरे लिए और एक रुमाल के लिए.
But then you
पैसे.
put your hand inside the rumal and be like, hey, church get the
Hmm.
No, again, all of this I have to do. He has become a rumal and he's fucked off. But like now in the morning when I'm getting late for college, I have to keep putting this rumal ahead, become this rumal, take a ticket for him.
What if the rumal is
explain-
ahead of you all through your life now? That is what it is. For the rest of your life, you're always behind the rumal.
The guy has gone to pee. उधर भी लाइन है तो उधर उसने कंघी रख दिया
He's just left rumals all over the earth.
नहीं वो अलग अलग चीजें रख के आया है. उसने अपने दोस्त को फोन किया, सुन मैं आज ऑफिस लेट पहुंच रहा, तो क्या करो, एक काम करे, टिफिन का बॉक्स रख दे, बॉस को बोल मैं आज टिफिन बॉक्स.
You think
तू
that's what
अभी किधर है?
happened?
फिलहाल मैं रुमाल बनाऊं ट्रेन के लिए, जैसे मैं कंघी बन के खत्म हुआ. ओके कूल कूल, ठीक है, चला तू है किधर? मैं घर पे हो रहे.
Work from home.
Wild. Wild.
Oh.
Speaking of official positions that should exist,
Hmm.
there is one that really should exist, but it also exists. I mean, it should exist in Mumbai, but it doesn't. It exists in Japan.
हाँ.
So Japan में ना, when the metro comes, okay, the doors open, public बहुत गर्दी है, right? तो सुबह सुबह public बहुत आया है, तो the people are standing and it's crowded and the doors
Yeah.
aren't open. So they've actually employed these people who come and shove you inside. That's
Yeah.
their job. That's their whole job.
They
The
come and shove you inside.
They shove you into the train so that the door closes.
the door closes.
And people have accepted this as part of life. कि now I will somehow, अगर मैं अंदर घुस गया, somebody will push me inside. And they've accepted this as part of
And the
life.
thing is, what I like about this service is, if you see some of these videos, they will really try to push everyone in.
Yeah.
First, they will try to push everyone in.
हाँ.
जब बिल्कुल नहीं हो रहा है, then they'll say, भाई साहब आप नहीं जा सकते. So
Yeah.
then pull one guy off. Then they'll shove the other. And then
Not like let's make the train thing better, more frequent. And
No.
you're Japan. You're anyway living in 2050, but why have you suddenly gone to the early 1900s? ठूस दे अंदर एकदम.
thing is,
But मेरे को ये समझ नहीं आता जापान का. Like on one side, this is overpopulation, and this is a Tokyo problem actually. This is an overpopulation in Tokyo problem. हाँ, Kautuk, what were you saying? You had, हाँ.
thing is, because it's Japan, right? So there is some pageantry to this position as well.
Yeah.
तो भाई लोग टोपी पहन के व्हाइट ग्लव्स पहन के तेरे को धक्का मार रहे हैं, ठीक है?
हाँ.
और इसका कुछ टर्म होगा, किंसुगी, जैसे वैसे कि the
हाँ.
art of shoving people inside the train. It's not normal. It's very
That'll be-
important. That's how Japan stays ahead of the time. Trains are never late.
And meanwhile, अपन इधर मुंबई लोकल में अनपेड इंटर्न की तरह दूसरे लोग को धक्का मार रहे हैं.
दूसरे लोग का इमेजिन, तो जापान में वहां पे ट्रेन पे जाके वरुण को बोला, "ए भाई ये मेरा रुमाल है, ये बचा
हाँ.
के रखना."
हाँ.
वरुण वहां पे धक्का भी खा रहा है और तेरा जगह भी बचा रहा है.
Bro, by the way, तेरे को मालूम है इधर मुंबई मेट्रो पे हर एक स्टेशन इज स्पॉन्सर्ड. You know that, right?
Yeah.
LIC अंधेरी,
Yeah, yeah.
अप्पो अम्बोली. सिर्फ एक स्टेशन है जागृति नगर, which is not sponsored.
But you know where this started, right? This
Where?
shit started in South Korea.
Oh,
So
Ah.
what had happened was Apple launched.
Samsung Seoul.
Yeah, so they started the biggest Apple store in South Korea, the biggest one in the country. And what Samsung did was they bought the station which you have to get off to go to the Apple store. So now it's called Samsung whatever station, and they have plastered the entire
Oh.
station on the day of the
Very
launch
nice.
of the Apple store with Samsung.
Very
Wow.
nice. Very
Killer.
nice. Beautiful petty behavior.
तो मेरे को जानना है LIC किसके साथ कंपटीशन है. HDFC का लाइफ है अंधेरी में, तो उधर उतरने के पहले LIC अंधेरी कर दो फटाफट.
It is LIC अंधेरी because अंधेरी is जिंदगी के बाद भी जिंदगी. So,
अच्छा, speaking
okay,
of
wait.
homework,
Last
हाँ,
train.
हाँ.
Okay, last
हाँ.
train before we move on.
Hmm.
And for this, we come to a weird news fixture. We are now in Bihar.
Bihar. Yeah.
Alright? And this is a station. I don't know if it's called Kiul Station.
Okay.
Okay, but it's not Kewl. It's not Kiul. It's Kiul. Kiul.
Cool.
Okay.
Kiul Station. Now there was a train that got stuck in Kiul Station. It wasn't moving. Now, कभी कभी जब गाड़ी बंद पड़ जाती है तो तुम लोग क्या करते हो?
धक्का वक्का मारना पड़ता है. तो क्या ट्रेन को धक्का मारा पब्लिक ने? ओह शिट.
तो सारे सारे पैसेंजर्स निकल गए और एक साथ ट्रेन को-
Why? Why? Why
So
is this not in the
somehow-
Guinness Book of Records?
So it's too good. Please find this video of people.
One second, please tell me if after this the train started
Yeah.
miraculously because some people pushed the train. Bro, that's epic.
But the
Hats off.
problem is when the car starts, you
Hmm.
know, engine चालू होता है, then you have to keep running and then you run into the car.
Yeah.
So now everybody who's been pushing the train and
Now
now
they're
the
just
train-
running behind the train. अरे ट्रेन छूट गया. अबे तूने तो छुटवाई साले उसको धक्का क्यों मारा तूने? अरे अभी क्या क्या कुछ नहीं. अभी भागते थे ट्रेन के पीछे. अरे तो पहले ही भाग लिया होता. हाँ तो पहले ही भागता तू भागना ही था तेरे को एंड में. समझता नहीं है.
But
अगर
ट्रेन
हम
का
सब लोग
ऐसा
मिलके ट्रेन को खींच ले फिर से तो क्या होगा? अभी क्या?
बट वो स्टार्टर है क्या? वो ऐसा लेकिन गाड़ी वो झटका खा खा के स्टार्ट होती है.
I don't know. I don't
Bro,
know.
कुछ
क्या
नहीं
बोल
हुआ.
रहे हैं?
Bunch of people are just pushing it and they're pushing it for so long that you start believing things. You're like, yeah, we are actually वो कुछ नहीं उधर ही थे उन लोग. पूरा
Hey,
दिन
hey,
क्या?
hey. In the video you can see कि पब्लिक धक्का मार रहा है, ट्रेन चलती है और चलने लगती है.
Oh, actually हुआ? Bro, come on. I thought we were kidding.
No
This is
shit.
nuts.
It's crazy. It's crazy. They've done it. So in Kiul, but can you imagine that, na कि officials आते हैं आपको. You're in the train, right? You're going to a destination, right? And a guy from the railways comes and tells you आपको उतरना पड़ेगा और धक्का मारना पड़ेगा. पर क्यों? क्योंकि बंद पड़ गया ना तो.
सर मैंने तो फर्स्ट एसी लिया है. हाँ ठीक है तो आप फर्स्ट रहना उसमें.
भाई
धक्का
एक
देना.
एक मैंने
क्योंकि
देखा
तू
अभी
ज्यादा
video
पावर यूज कर रहा है एसी से.
where a bunch of guys, I think it's UP or Bihar, where they want to genuinely stop the train because of an emergency.
Oh,
And they are pulling the chain and nothing is happening.
oh, shit.
So to the point where the guy is hanging from the chain. Like ऐसा चढ़ के लटक गया वो चेन से, लेकिन the train is not stopped. बोलते हैं कि रोको रोको इमरजेंसी है. कुछ नहीं.
Sir, it is a placebo effect actually. It's not meant for.
हाँ sir, actually, but we've all done so many train journeys that that's sort of ingrained in your head, right? To stop the train, pull the
Pull
chain.
chain.
Stop the train,
Yeah.
pull the chain. It's just there. What a sad day to discover that
Should I
pulling chain doesn't stop train.
should I tell you one last story from Bihar before we move on to other states?
No, dude. Now I'm continuing Bihar. Now you've changed my
Oh,
tangent. Now
okay,
I'm going
okay.
Bihar,
So-
UP.
Okay, so I'll tell you one story from Bihar. Okay,
हाँ.
so this takes place in September. Okay, so
Hmm.
what happens is the CM Nitish Kumar, he attended a government event in Sarsa,
Okay.
okay, where the fisheries department, to welcome him, had set up a biofloc system. Biofloc system was a little pond type thing. Okay. Like they'd filled, like they put boundaries, put water, and then put fish inside. Actual live fish. They'd made this thing to welcome the CM. The CM came, was garlanded, all of this, and then CM left. And as soon as the CM left, the public who had gathered to see the CM, they jumped into the biofloc and caught the fish.
Wow.
There was a stampede to catch the fish.
और फिर उसका क्या किया? उसको मैं मस्त तेल में फ्राई करके मैं खा गया.
Bhai.
Can you
What is
imagine?
this biofloc? Like you just see fish and you're like, hey, wow, good.
It's like a small like makeshift pond that you make. Like not even a pond. It's like a like Have you seen those kids swimming pool that you have? Like a
Yeah,
thing that
yeah,
you use
yeah.
indoors, like you just have like one skirting and you put water in it. It's literally like that. Okay. People who are from the fisheries department, if you know exactly what a biofloc is, please put it in the comments below. But from what I could visually see, it looked like that. Okay. तो
हाँ
उसमें पानी है ऐसा बेबी पूल टाइप और उसमें फिश है.
हाँ.
Now just imagine the fish's trajectory. Okay, fish has gone from, oh wow, I'm like going to be welcoming the CM, to, oh shit.
No, run.
I'm curried today. आज why is there लाल मसाला क्यों है मेरे? अरे अरे गरम मसाला डाल रहे. अरे भाई, अरे जल रहा है, आग जल रहा है भाई, धनिया पाउडर मत डाल. अरे ये तेल, ये किसके लिए? हाँ, हाँ, हाँ.
अरे पर मैं सीएम की मच्छी हूँ.
मजा आ गया आज
भाई
तो खा के बायोफ्लॉक का मच्छी.
It was. It really was like the thing is
Like Nitish Kumar really likes fish or what? He's like,
no,
yeah.
no, this was a fisheries department initiative because like
हाँ,
सब
okay.
लोग कुछ करते हैं ना, अरे सीएम आ रहा है तो हम भी कुछ अलग.
Like how in Hyderabad you have that fisheries department ka building which is in the shape
In the
of a
shape of a
fish.
fish.
Because
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
know, people were walking into the wrong building. भाई फिशरीज डिपार्टमेंट किधर है सर? उसको मछली जैसे बनाएंगे ना तो लोग कंफ्यूज नहीं होंगे.
वो हैदराबाद है कि कोलकाता है? Which one
अबे
has the
हैदराबाद
mass?
में,
There's
हैदराबाद में you
the
can see it on the bridge from the airport when you go
Yes.
ना. There's a massive
yeah,
fish.
that massive fish. Yeah, okay, हाँ.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you'll be surprised. It's not the electricity board. It's the fisheries department.
Electricity
Oh.
board is actually a thunderbolt.
It's just
Because they're not able to decide. सर बहुत सा बिल्डिंग सेम लग रहे हैं, ठीक है. तो जैसे अभी आप आप अपना रेलवे डिपार्टमेंट देखो, उधर ट्रेन का बना है उन्होंने,
just
का ये बना है.
हाँ, वो ट्रेन को धक्का मार के कैसे चलाते हैं तो फिर आपका ऑफिस वहां पे चलेगा.
So yeah, that was
Okay, I've got a story that starts with Uttar Pradesh and ends with Bihar. So another case of mugfluencer.
oh
So
shit.
this man was released from prison in Uttar Pradesh, and he decided ke, I don't want to be a mugger anymore. I don't want to be a thief anymore. I'm going to become an influencer. This guy decides. So he decides to make a reel
Oh shit.
in front
Yeah, I
of
saw
the
this.
cops. And he has gone viral. The guy's plan is successful. That's what I'm like, guys, please encourage this man to become the influencer that
ये
he's meant to
छूट
be.
रहा है कि अंदर है कि क्या है सीन?
अबे
नहीं,
छूट
वो
रहा है ना,
छूट गया
अंदर
है,
जाते हो
छूट
थोड़ी
गया है,
नाचेगा.
and now he's standing right outside the gate and dancing.
सही है, सही है.
Dude, next level. And and he's actually got talent. The thing is, all the cops standing next to him are like, yes,
standing.
बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है. उसकी लॉयर भी है शायद बगल में. Very proud of him.
You think he planned
Public
this?
defender.
I hope he's
Yeah.
not in for a serious crime. I think he planned this way ahead that I'll do some petty crime,
Yeah.
go to jail so that there's a video of me getting out of jail and then ये दूर का प्लान किया भाई इसने.
This is pure Bollywood, man. This is Jawan.
And they're applauding the planning, the choreography. Imagine वो ट्रेन में sorry जेल में बैठा है, and then he's like रोज he's practicing, he's locking and popping and all the other prisoners है, क्या कर रहा है, इसका कुछ होने नहीं वाला है.
आप मुंबई जा रहे हैं, हाँ? क्यों नहीं? चलो.
This is you know what this is? And Thakur, you'll appreciate this. This is the Shamak redemption.
Yeah. उसने 25 साल शामक किया. यहाँ पे शामक ने यूपी में ब्रांच खोल के रखा है.
झूठ बोले कौवा काटे.
कौवा काटे. Guys, buy tickets for Makasam. Okay, the next one is this really old man. I think he's a widower, he's single, but now he's like, I want to celebrate Karwa Chauth as a man. So he does all the ceremonies and everything, which is beautiful, except the person he's doing it for, because it's aspirational for him. So he's held Karwa Chauth for Mia Khalifa.
Oh no.
And it is Bihar. I'm sorry, but why?
No.
Is it Bihar?
Oh,
मिया खलीफा के लिए वो छन्नी में से देख रहा है, उसको पानी और दूध पिला रहा है.
It was so sweet and so nice until it just suddenly wasn't.
Look how old he is.
Yeah.
How the fuck does he even know who Mia Khalifa is?
अरे भाई.
Man,
Oh God. Oh God, I hope somebody has made him do it, and that's
This
not.
has to be a viral, like
Yeah,
engineered viral moment, right? You just have
yeah,
to. It's like by the way, there's a lot of these like there's a lot of elderly influencers who
Yeah.
have some young person in their life who has told them behave in a certain way, and
Yeah.
then like there's one lady whose tagline
बुड्ढी
is
बोलती है. बुड्ढी
"Buddhi
बोलती
bolti,"
है.
right? So she wears like sunglasses, says some whatever, some advice or whatever her
Yeah,
take
and it
on things.
usually involves like गाली. वो
Yeah.
गाली देके एडवाइस देती है.
So that's the other thing. Ki like, oh, it's subverting your expectation. Na? Ki, oh, there's an
Hmm.
old person.
She'll
You
be
don't think
cute.
that,
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
and then suddenly Mia Khalifa. Of course, it'll go viral because people are sharing it with their friends saying, "जब तू 60 साल का होगा, तू ये होगा."
99% of the shares of this video is that, hey, this guy at 90.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
Hmm. So एक और है where the thing is now the weddings Japan released because there was like the lower like population is dropping, so they've actually released a visa which is a breeding visa, which is encouraging tourists to come and
Actually,
have babies. And
oh
now
man.
there's another thing that has now started, like it's going viral on the net, where Korea is apparently offering 20 million won to people for coming to Korea and doing the same thing. And every
Which
one of these
North?
news articles, which is follows just a bunch of Indian men running somewhere. So it's just every time I see this, and then you swipe left, and just bunch of Indian men running, jumping over khatiyas, like chalo Korea.
Wow.
But what a strange this thing, right? You land up
No,
in
so they're asking you to come to Korea and have babies.
yes,
Yeah. So
yes.
Korea is apparently asking you 20 million won. This is the proposed, whatever I have found, is this is all rumors. 20 million won for you to come and marry someone from Korea. Japan is just a breeding visa.
What is your purpose of visit? Breeding.
Breeding.
I have come here to breed.
What about your college? No, never been.
So,
Don't know.
breeding. Is it business or pleasure?
Sir, kind of both. It's a pleasure. Oh, okay, good.
Yeah.
Previous work experience?
Yeah.
थोड़ा
No,
time
no,
waste
no, no,
था.
no, no, no. We have to take a second to appreciate pleasure,
Yeah.
which is the most disgusting word I've ever heard in my life. This is just
It's
auditory.
it's Indian men going to Bangkok without their wife. अरे किसके लिए जा रहे हो? Business या pleasure है? Pleasure के लिए जा रहे हो. अच्छा.
भाई एक आदमी अरेस्ट हुआ है अभी फॉर पासपोर्ट टैम्परिंग
What for? What?
because he was systematically tearing out pages which had a Bangkok stamp on it to hide it from his wife. So
Oh
he's
my
been arrested by
God.
immigration while coming from a trip where they noticed that the pages on the passport are torn off and shit. So passport tampering के लिए उसको arrest कर लिया
Oh my
और वो
God.
बोल रहा है मैं बस अपना बीवी से छुपाने की कोशिश कर
Bro, this reminds me of that beautiful news story that had broken.
Pandemic.
Yeah,
हाँ.
where these the क्या बोलते हैं health department lands up at this guy's house saying कि
हाँ
to go into quarantine. He's like, why? He's like, because you came back from Thailand.
Bro,
Oh
I'll never forget that because I remember that image. These dudes are in their कच्चा
Banyan.
almost एक बनियान में आए पीछे बीवी है. I remember that. Fuck.
Hardcore, hardcore.
So I found one one story, okay, which is from Madhya Pradesh. Okay, it's about a goat named Kalu who became, guess what, accidentally.
Biryani.
Like a wild guess, a goat.
a goat
Pregnant. नहीं,
Biryani re.
बिरयानी.
Goat.
But that's not
Yeah,
not
that's
unexpected.
expected.
That's expected कि तू है फिर तू बिरयानी.
Goat drove a tractor.
Bro, a goat won the local elections. So the owner of the goat, as a joke, put the goat's name as as a candidate. The people in that village voted for the goat.
वैसे गोट के पार्टी का नाम क्या है अरे आप खाली गोट को वोट दो गोट को वोट भाई गोट को वोट दो
अरे गोट को वोट ब्रो ये टैगलाइन के लिए
But
टैगलाइन के लिए एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट इलेक्शंस राइट अभी अपने इधर इलेक्शंस हुए महाराष्ट्र में देयर वाज अनदर इलेक्शन नॉट नाउ बट व्हाइल बैक हैपेंड इन असम लोकल विलेज में So the politician who stood up for that election obviously wanted to garner votes. So he decided थोड़ा मैं गांव वालों को bribe कर देता हूँ. He bribed them with washing machine.
No, that's a good
It's a
bribe.
great bribe, right?
It's a
कह रहे
very
तू washing
expensive
machine-
bribe. हाँ.
Exactly. Let to cash दे दे, but नहीं, washing machine दिया है सबको. Except they didn't vote for him because उसने washing machine तो दे दिया, लेकिन गांव में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं
अबे
थी.
भाई.
So
Oh
now
man.
they're using that washing machine as a storage unit to store their grains that they're growing.
Oh.
चावल वावल पड़ा है.
Yeah, यार public.
Oh man. But चावल वाल के लिए अच्छा है क्योंकि भिगा भी सकते हैं.
बना भी
उसको
बना.
अबे लेकिन भिगाएगा तो उसका निकलेगा कहाँ से पानी?
This was in you know very famously the washing machine sales were astronomical in Punjab.
पंजाब. Yeah.
Yeah, लस्सी.
और हाँ लस्सी बना रहे हैं उसमें.
अरे washing machine लस्सी is popular when you're on the road and you're traveling and you just stop and washing machine वाली लस्सी देना और बन रही होती है constantly.
The
तेरे को मालूम नहीं उसमें दही है कि
detergent.
निर्मा सुपर.
हाँ.
डिटर्जेंट.
ये लस्सी बहुत ही सफेद है. ज्यादा ही कुछ सफेद. ये दाग नहीं.
भाई मैंने आपकी लस्सी पी, मेरी शर्ट साफ हो गई. ये कैसे हो रहा है? मतलब बताओ मुझे जरा.
उसमें अरे लस्सी सफेद नहीं आ रही है, अरे थोड़ा आला डाल देते हैं इसमें.
4 बूंदों वाला. Okay, I have to tell you this last piece of news. A beautiful, heartwarming story this is, okay? It's a story of a reunion,
हाँ.
okay? And the story is this. There was a man who lost his phone, okay? But it wasn't any ordinary phone. His phone was a Nokia 3310.
अरे the OG.
And here's why the story is so beautiful and heartwarming is because he found this Nokia that he had lost. He found it 22 years after he lost it.
Wow.
Okay. And what makes this story even more incredible is that when he found it, it still had 1 bar of battery left.
Oh, wow. So not only is it a defense mechanism to use a Nokia, you can hurl it at your possible attacker. It doesn't break. और बैटरी 22 साल चलता है.
I saw.
You can play Snake one last time before it dies. Nokia 3310 तो क्या फोन था भाई. So you talk about phones, people's obsession with phones. I found one article where this dude has done a full, what do you call it, funeral for his broken phone.
Huh?
मतलब या इन चेन्नई there's a guy, उसका 5 साल पुराना एक स्मार्टफोन था जो फाइनली चलना बंद हो गया. So he
Yeah.
did full funeral procession for this phone.
I should ask you this question at this point. Is there any inanimate object in your life that has helped you or you like it so much that when it breaks, you will consider doing a funeral? Is there any?
No.
Is there nothing?
I would do guitar. Guitar, I would really be bummed. I would be very bummed if I have the guitar I had when I started learning the guitar. So it's almost 17 years old now. And I bought it off a kid who didn't want it. So now, and I carried that guitar for shows. So it's very special.
Bro, talking about phones, मैं उस दिन अपने एक clear कर रहा था draw, ठीक है? And then I realized that मैंने सोचा था कि many a times you find this stuff online where this XYZ MacBook from 1984 still survived, it's still there, बहुत सालों बाद, where it becomes like almost ancient technology, right? मैंने ऐसे सोचा था मैं भी करूंगा. पता है मेरे पास क्या पड़ा है?
क्या पड़ा है?
15 साल पुराना.
क्या?
BlackBerry.
Oh.
I have
Unopened.
a BlackBerry.
Unopened? Unopened?
They use what he used to use,
na.
I think.
हाँ.
BlackBerry was
but
the answer, is the opposite of iPhone. Basically, it was like, अच्छा ये फोन में 12 बटन है ना, हम ये फोन में 25 बटन डाल देंगे.
Bro, it was one of the first phones that I bought like with my own money. उसके पहले parents दे रहे, you're taking a hand me down from your dad or whatever. But this one, I had gone and paid with my own money. कुछ वो time पे, if I'm not mistaken, 10-12 हजार रुपए का था.
Yeah.
in 2009, 9, 10, 9, I think. I still have that. I have my iPhone 5, जो छोटा वाला था उन लोगों का, because I used to love that size at that time. बड़ा screen तभी मजा नहीं आता था. I have that.
Dude, can I tell you, BlackBerry ka? BlackBerry was huge when I was in college, and I was in HR college, and I remember this, like all the cool kids had the BlackBerry,
BBM.
and
BBM.
they used to message each other on BBM, right? BlackBerry Messenger, which was like this closed circuit only for BlackBerry public. तो आधा चीज वो लोग बात कर रहा है, which had context which I had no idea because I had some
Yeah.
fucking shitty Samsung whatever. I had like the most basic model of Samsung. जिसमें Snake was the main thing
Yeah.
and FM radio. So public this BBM thing, I remember it being like so aspirational.
Yeah.
But by the time I could afford the BlackBerry,
बंद हो
BlackBerry,
गया.
yeah,
He
BlackBerry then got out
destroyed,
of
gone. There are some things
Yeah.
that are just, they've just got this kind of value attached to them. They have no monetary value anymore. So it just makes sense to actually do a burial and funeral for them because
No,
that
but
will be a better.
Buy or keep it if you can. If something unique, keep it, and then 20, 25 years later, go on one of the Craigslist or whatever, and
then
they
it's
for
also, yeah. But like I
like a
feel like
vintage piece.
there are certain, like I feel like there would be certain books or something that I would feel very sad about. Like if when they finally tatter up completely.
Hmm.
Yeah, like I think not every inanimate object, but some I think, yeah. I can see why this person might do it. Maybe.
No, there's a family. Yeah, so these guys had the family Wagoner. So they decided कि अभी हो गया. They bought a new car. So they decided to do a full-fledged funeral for the car.
Yeah, जला दी?
Shit.
Oh, बरी
नहीं
दे.
जलाया नहीं, उसको बरियल किया है. तो पूरा जेसीबी आया है. उनने सारे they did the entire last rites. गाड़ी
Oh,
को फूलों से लदा
wow.
है और गाड़ी को
Oh,
उतारा है अंदर और गाड़ी को बरी किया है जेसीबी से.
Bhai Saab. Wait, but this is amazing. This is.
Like imagine how much
Is
they
there a-
loved the car.
Can you imagine the tombstone which has like MH04?
bro, it's like you either get as a car, you either get buried with a funeral, or you live long enough to become a car on the side of the road that
Yes.
just continues to be
Yeah.
there and slowly degenerate. Bro, I've seen one Maruti van. Okay, मेरे स्कूल के इधर होती थी. I saw it. I'm not even fucking kidding, for like 7 years, 8 years.
Yeah.
Like it's just I've seen it in different stages. एक टाइम पे झाड़ निकल रहा है उसके अंदर से, bro.
Yes. There was
And nobody has said. In fact, it became like a landmark. कि चल भाई तेरे को एक मारुति वैन चाहिए टूटी हुई,
से लेफ्ट
वैसे लेफ्ट ले.
like these cars, right? First they get left on the side of the road. Then after about a few months, right? These the guys who strip the car of any material, right? They notice
Yeah.
कि कोई आ रहा नहीं है, ये गाड़ी हिलती नहीं है, तो चलो निकालो, right? So they
Yeah.
take anything of value. Anything that can be resold is gone. Now there's a husk of this car, and this husk has such little value that even the people who steal cars walk past it and go like, "अरे कोई तो ले जाओ इसको." It's fucking okay.
Dude,
But by the way, हाँ sorry,
एक
Atul,
एक गाड़ी था, like speaking of cars on the side of the road, this one car in Jaipur on the flyover, it caught fire.
oh shit.
Okay, so now what do you think would have happened? Like people gather, like anything, कुछ हो जाता है अपना public. I also have done this. There's something burning, so there's a fight going on. You will stand and you'll watch.
ये क्या चल रहा है?
You'll just stand and watch. So now a crowd is gathered around this burning car. Okay.
Oh no.
And now this has become an opportunity to make videos, and nobody's hurt. The car got overheated and suddenly caught fire. Now the car
Oh, it starts moving.
starts moving. Now
Oh.
everybody has to get out of the fucking way. And this one guy is stuck with his bike. उसको खींच के निकालने की कोशिश कर रहा है, but नहीं हो रहा है. And उसकी बाइक शहीद हो जाती है गाड़ी के नीचे.
Ghost Rider, bro. This is
proper Ghost
Okay.
Rider, bro.
And it's a flyover, so it's all sloping down. So the car is now gathered moment.
this is a
People
wagon.
are driving away.
This is what automation is going to do to cars, dude.
Oh, shit.
Look at how far it is going.
Look at how quickly the traffic cleared.
So that's
Oh,
all you need to clear traffic, guys. Just let the burning
Imagine
start.
you've called for an Uber and this shows up.
It's Uber black, Uber red, Uber yellow,
Uber
You're
fire.
flagging it down.
Uber mocktail, Uber mocktail.
सर आप रुक रहे नहीं हो? सर आप चलते जा रहे हो?
Dude, that's crazy scary. कोई मरा नहीं ना इसमें, because that looks
Nay, apparently it
insane.
just got overheated, which is a very normal thing. Like now that started happening is when like during these horrible months is
Oh, no.
Delhi, Jaipur, where you're just driving the car, suddenly it'll start steaming. You come out, engine has caught fire.
Global warming. We're
Yeah.
going to see a lot more of these things. Okay. But by the way, Aadar, तूने एक वो जो previous story में है, you showed me a JCB.
हाँ,
JCB से याद आया.
अरे
This epic story. Okay. This story is of a tea seller from Madhya Pradesh. Okay. And here's what he did. He reportedly bought a moped. Okay. How did he buy this moped? Well, you know, he put a down payment of 20,000 rupees. And this down payment also, he put through a loan. Okay. So he's wanted a moped, got a loan for it, put this 20,000 down payment and took the bike home. Now, nice story so far, heartwarming,
Hmm.
except he has taken a loan to pay a down payment of 20,000 bucks. But he has spent 60,000 bucks to
Yeah.
celebrate getting this moped.
क्या यार?
3 times the down payment. He has spent, without it. Here's what he did. Okay. So he takes the moped from the dealership and he's hired a DJ. तो DJ के
DJ?
साथ डीजे के साथ घर पे लेके गया है, ठीक है? तो डीजे बजा रहा है और ये मोपेड घर जा रहा है. Now when he's gotten home, he's splashed more cash on getting a JCB and he's used the JCB to hold the moped up so that his friends and family can see it and admire the
And
moped.
from all angles.
But what the only angle the friends and family couldn't see the moped from was from underneath.
तो वो
उसके
दिखाने का
अलावा
ना
तो
उसको.
जमीन पे 3 dimensional ऑब्जेक्ट है ना, दिखेगा ना प्रॉपर. अरे भाई मोपेड अच्छी है लेकिन इसके नीचे का तो दिखाओ. नीचे नीचे देखना है. सर, क्यों नीचे देखना है भाई?
By the way, this is not the first
बहुत
time he's
अच्छा है
done this.
मोपेड.
This is not the first time he's done this. An earlier time, he bought a mobile phone for 12,500 but celebrated the purchase by spending 25,000.
अबे एक मिनट, ये इतना पैसे पब्लिक नॉलेज है, ठीक है? तो ये कौन सी बैंक की जो ये साले को लोन देते रहती है भाई? मेरे को लोन लेने के लिए पता क्रेडिट स्कोर से लेके ये से लेके वो इसका पूरा न्यूज में है कि भाई ये 12,000 की
लेकिन वो
चीज ले
लोग
तो
भी-
25,000 पार्टी
अबे
पे.
बैंक वाले बोल रहे हैं कि अरे इसको लोन देंगे तो हमको तो पार्टी में बुलाएगा ही ना साला. तो एक पार्टी के लिए इसको लोन दे देते, कितना जाएगा ज्यादा से ज्यादा.
But the funny thing is, this guy doesn't buy stuff to use it, he buys it to celebrate using it.
Yeah.
कि मैं मोपेड खरीदता हूँ. The main thing is not the moped. The main thing is मेरे को पार्टी करना.
पार्टी करना है ब्रो. जस्ट 10,000 रुपए दे. एक्चुअल किसके पास मोपेड उसकी बोल भाड़े पे देने का, मेरे को दिखाने का थोड़े फैमिली को. ये लोन पे लोन लिया जा रहा है. और फिर इवेंचुअली जब बैंक वाले आए कि एक्सक्यूज मी, आपका लोन क्लियर नहीं हुआ है. नहीं, वो घर पे नहीं है. कहाँ गए वो? आज यहाँ पर है, देखिए ये रुमाल है वो. आज वो रुमाल है तो आपसे बात करते हैं. क्यों लिया लोन?
Man, but like it's truly baffling to me, like the fact that A, he's able to get the loans, but B, the fact that this weird, like I feel like there are some people who have this tendency of this weird tendency, bro. It's like they'll always say कि पैसा नहीं है, but then you'll also see them splurging on
Yeah.
everything.
Or people who borrowed money from you and then you're watching
Yeah.
their stories on
Yeah.
Instagram going like, ये मेरा पैसा लेके ये पार्टी कर रहा है और मैं घर पे बैठ के यहाँ पे ब्रेड बटर खा के पैसा बचा रहा हूँ.
Bro, I'll give you an example. All of us comics have gone through. Okay, there used to be a specific promoter who everybody knows. Okay,
Yes.
known across the comedy fraternity as a massive defaulter. Right? Owed each of us comics like money is worth
1, 2 lakhs.
6,000. ठीक है? ये सब हो रहा है and we are constantly following up. Invoice भेजे जा रहे, TDS नहीं भरा है इसने, कुछ नहीं. ठीक है, सब हो रहा है, पैसे नहीं है. लेकिन on cue दिवाली डे इसके यहाँ से एक गिफ्ट हैम्पर आता था
Ah,
जिसके अंदर कैंडल है, सेंटेड कैंडल है, ये है, वो है, कुछ आइडल है। भाई इसके पैसे कहाँ से आ रहे हैं? तू ये मत दे, इसके जगह पे मेरा पैसा दे दे। नहीं, गिफ्ट हैम्पर जरूर मिलेगा आपको,
and Thakur,
लेकिन पैसे नहीं दूंगा।
you remember when you used to light the candle, it used to smell like your DDS?
Yeah. अंदर है क्या?
बस, और कुछ है कि खत्म खत्म करे एपिसोड?
मतलब
it.
चाय वाले
Okay.
का है एक वेयर शॉर्ट स्टोरी बिकॉज चाय वाले के बारे में बात हो रही थी. देयर वाज दिस लेडी एंड दिस इज फ्रॉम द पंजाब केसरी न्यूज़पेपर. There was a woman who came alive while being taken to the crematorium.
What?
Yeah, she came, उड़ गई, and then she was like, क्या आप ठीक हो, क्या चाहिए? तो बोलती है मेरे को चाय चाहिए. So she had her cup of tea and then she died the next day.
Oh my God.
Oh, bro, that's nuts.
It's
Because
like
I also
एक
came
चाय.
across something like this.
What?
They were burying this guy, and then they realized he's alive.
What?
Yes, they went to bury this guy, and then suddenly I said, I don't know exactly, but I saw the breathing, some movement. They're like, wait, he's alive. When checked, he was said, yeah, he is alive, but then he passed away the next day again.
Dude,
They used to do this when they used to bury people in England and all, or
Yeah,
whatever. Like,
yeah, I was just
they used to tie a bell to their toe.
Yeah.
So, in case they couldn't diagnose if the person is misdiagnosed and is buried in the coffin, the person would struggle and the bell would ring, and the guy who's the crematorium he would hear it and they would exhume the person in case they were still alive.
But none of these people have anything on The Undertaker. Joe, if you go by WWE lore, has been buried and has come alive 9 times or 7
9
times. That was the biggest की भाई देखो अंडरटेकर मान में 7 बार उसको bury किया फिर भी आ गया. So much so that they named a match after him called the Buried Alive match. फिर तेरे को मारना है और उसको खड्डे में डाल के तेरे को
उसको you have to put dirt on them also.
नहीं, और फिर अगले हफ्ते आ जाता है हेलो आई एम बैक.
The thing is, he used to come on a motorbike, right?
No, that was his later. That was his other
yeah.
avatar, American Badass. And he used to
Ah.
come on, rolling.
Rolling.
Suddenly, this guy who was Undertaker, trench coat, abhi biker,
Biker है. अभी biker है.
Sons of Anarchy बन के आ गया.
The thing that is so funny to me is that he comes back to life, right? And he's got a bike and everything. And imagine being dead, seeing the afterlife, coming back, and then you have to go to a gas station to put petrol in your fucking. Like, why would you come back with this mundane shit and then beat people up for fun?
Speaking of Undertaker, cocaine is the new avatar of Kane, where he is now white in color or something. I saw the thing online.
What?
और वो तेरे पे
The actual Kane is now called
I
cocaine.
think Kane has become cocaine, or there's another wrestler who's cocaine, whose finisher move is white powder लेके तेरे मुंह पे मारता है,
फूक दे.
फिर तो distract हो जाता है, फिर तेरे को मारता है, फिर pin 1 2 3 cocaine wins.
Every match should end with law enforcement coming and cocaine losing. Like that's
Yeah.
how it should end.
And friends, that's why I stopped watching WWE.
Yes.
चल, मस्त मजेदार. खत्म करें episode?
Yes.
Yeah. On that note, that's the end of this episode of The Internet Said So. We were discussing some hilarious, weird news that we came across. If you have come across any, let us know in the comments. And once again, before we go, quick reminder about the Marcusum tour. Tickets are already there in the comment, in the description, on our link tree, etc. They are going very, very fast. So please buy the tickets. And one last request to Delhi and Gurgaon people. Delhi shows are almost done. Gurgaon isn't done. So Delhi wale, please, Gurgaon aa jao.
Also, one last thing.
Please, Gurgaon. It's a sentence that's great.
One last thing about this. These are obviously the final shows for 2024, but these are also the final shows for a while because Adar is going to go back to London. So when he comes back is when we'll resume Marcusum. So in case you want to watch them, watch these shows, catch them now. Yes.
ठीक है. Oh, and also guys, मैं तो मेन चीज भूल गया. मेरा स्टैंड अप वीडियो पे थोड़ा लाइक शेयर कमेंट एंगेजमेंट करो ना मेरे वीडियो के साथ प्लीज. थोड़ा शेयर कर दो अपने ग्रुप्स में, थोड़ा हेल्प मिलेगा तो ज्यादा पुश होगा वीडियो. And yeah, that's it. We'll see you again next week. Until then, it's goodbye. Take care. Tata. Salamesh.
भाई कोकेन से मेरे पास एक है where pizza and cocaine. I don't know how this didn't connect till now. And I had this news article where there was a German pizza, like a pizza shop that was selling cocaine as a side order.
As a side
तो
order, not the
तो तू
main.
पिज्जा मंगाता है एंड साइड में तो यू कैन जस्ट गो चीजी डिप cocaine and it's just hidden so well people were ordering and there was a combination so it was combination number 40 so it's pizza with cocaine and they were selling it तो
Oh,
oregano के साथ oregano chili flakes and cocaine पूरे
wow. So,
पुड़िया में
bro, this place should have been called Domino's and they should have a nose on the symbol. 30 minutes, I तो बजा acts.
No, no, Thakur. It should have been called Snorting Joes.
Not in those.
ah